Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph in Excel. Let's get started. Excel offers a variety of chart types, and selecting the right type can enhance the clarity and engagement of your data presentation. Today, we'll dive into bar graphs, specifically how to use them to display monthly sales as seen in this table. Start by selecting the data you want to include in your graph. Click on the Insert tab, navigate to the Chart section, and choose the bar graph option. There are multiple design choices, but for now, let's go with the first one. Excel will instantly generate the graph and embed it in your spreadsheet. Now let's look at how we can improve and customize the graph to our liking. Positioning the graph in your spreadsheet is very simple. Simply click within the chart area, hold the left mouse button, and move the graph to place it precisely where you want. You can also adjust the graph size with ease. Just click on any corner of the graph area, grab one of the small circles, and resize it as needed. Now let's move on. The graph's title currently says Chart Title. Of course, you can rename it to anything you like. Click on the title to make it editable and enter your own custom title. But we're not done yet. You can also change the chart's color scheme and design to match your preferences. Click within the chart area again, go to the Design tab, and find the Change Color option to select from a range of colors. Moreover, the overall graph style can be altered in a similar manner. Visit the Design tab once more, look for Chart Styles, click drop-down arrow, and choose a style that suits you. One more thing before we wrap up. A graph in Excel is dynamic, which means that any changes you make in the source table will be reflected in the graph. For instance, if we update the August sales from 97 to 124, the graph will automatically update to display the new value. If you're interested in exploring different graph types or improving existing charts, stay tuned for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.